Let's face it, not every classroom is created equal. Not every seat provides a clear view of the screen, and not every student has the same visual acuity. In fact, studies have shown that a student's seating position can affect their overall performance, their interactions, and understanding. Educators want every student to clearly see what's being presented and ensure participation, but today's presentation technology has some limitations. It either needs to be installed or brought into the room. Using smartboards can mean smaller screens, making it more challenging for students to see from a distance. Plus, maintaining a reliable internet connection can be a challenge. What if you could wirelessly present in any room and lecture hall and share your screen to every student on the devices they already have, like smartphones, tablets, and laptops? Well, now you can with Forum. Forum helps amplify the learning experience in any classroom, where every student can see a presentation, download associated materials, and ask questions of a teacher discreetly and directly. Forum doesn't need the cords, dongles, or even the internet, so you can keep teaching with fewer technical difficulties. Forum changes the presentation dynamic of a room by broadcasting to everyone's device, so every student gets a virtual front row seat. Forum is packed with audience engagement features to make every class presentation more interactive with digital Q&A, file sharing, screen sharing, and live polling, which helps with immediate and spontaneous assessments of student understanding. If you'd like to know more about how Forum can help engage your classroom in new ways, visit forumforeducation.com today.